Good morning everybody, welcome back to our Tai Chi tips. What I want to go through today is something that really helped me progress and look into my own Tai Chi form. It's something that is going to help you release the joints especially, relax the muscles and let go of the tendons. Very often when we do our Tai Chi we're very stiff, we're very tight and we try to hold on instead of releasing and letting go. So it's just a very basic standing meditation. So you want to make sure that the feet are slightly wider than shoulder width, softening the feet so they spread out underneath you, releasing and relaxing the knees, and then bringing the arms up in front of you so that the palms are facing the chest. And then the elbows are down, the shoulders sink, and the chest hollows out. And then you relax your waist, and then the concentration comes in here. Okay, everything then moves to the center. And you try and hold this position for as long as you can, a couple of minutes every day, and then you build up the time as you go on. And what this will help you do is to find those areas which are screaming at you, where there's resistance. You go into those areas and you just relax, you consciously release. And eventually you'll find your body, the whole body starts to relax. And then this will help you move through your form, because this is the position that you want to be in, this relaxed state. All the joints open, muscles relaxed, and the tendons released. So see what you can do, and try and practice as often as you can every day. Just a couple of minutes every day does help. Happy practicing. Thank you.